Hello, so here is just a little bit of information on how to help you with week 2. So during week 1, you and your team created your team charter. And then if you scroll down, here is week 2. This will be due the 7th of February at 11:55. So you're going to use the following resources in Workspace so you can complete the assignment as a team. So here's what you're going to read, and then I've included in an article. You're going to watch and listen how to record data. You can start playing it at 1 minute 6 seconds and then play till 3 minutes and 30 seconds. And then APA and a library tutorial, and then the rubric for the assignment. And the assignment is this. Given this question, for a 10-minute time period, what can be said about the student use of the following campus resources? The library, gym, pool, health center, and dining commons in Otter Express. And what might it imply about campus, the climate, students, etc.? As a team, you're going to need to write a summary of the research that's already been conducted about students and campus resources, about 2 paragraphs, collect data on how these resources are being used by students on campus, report the data, and discuss what they might imply. Again, a paragraph to do. Lastly, you'll need to cite any references according to APA and make a reference list, again, according to APA. All work that can be done should be shown here. Even if you collect data out in the field, not on this Google Doc, bring it back and either take a picture of it included in here or something like that. All work should be done here. So here's an area for you to divide up the tasks. You know, maybe someone's going to go make data, maybe someone's going to take a first swipe at the literature review or something along those lines. Here's where you could start to cite some of the studies that you're going to want to include in your summary of the literature that's been done, data collection area, results and discussion, and then your final product. And you can put spaces in here and make this bigger, obviously, if you need more space. Then you're going to submit the link to this Google Doc. Each of you should submit the same link so that I can come in and look at your final product. And then at the end of the week, so on the 7th, you're going to complete this survey. And here's the rubric of how your project will be scored. Week 3 and 4 are not yet in, and I will be putting that in later. I didn't want to overwhelm everyone. So this is a quick look at research that is what's been conducted in the past, and you'll be doing a little bit of data collection. This is a very, very small introductory assignment to research, but I wanted to give you a chance to look at it and have experience with the different parts. And it's possible that many of you already have this experience, which will be very helpful to your teammates. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.